How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a Jeep Cherokee. Pretty simple door panel to take off. All you're going to need is a size 7 socket, a size 10 socket, a pick, and then a little plastic tool so you don't scratch any of the plastics. First, we'll go ahead and take our two covers off. You're going to have one behind the grab handle, then one behind the door handle. Just grab your pick, kind of reach down in there. It's just a little rubber cover, kind of like so. That'll show the size 7 bolt we got to take out. And then you're going to have one behind the door handle itself. This one's a little, sometimes can get tricky to get to, but just kind of use a plastic trim tool piece, that way you don't scratch it. Kind of reach in behind the door handle and it'll pop free, kind of like so. And that'll show a screw and then also the size 10 bolt. You shouldn't need to take the screw out unless you plan on taking the door handle itself off, but you can take the panel off without taking the handle off itself. Now we'll go ahead and get our bolts out. We'll go ahead and get the 10 out first. Now we'll go ahead and put our size 7 socket on and get the one behind the grab handle. Alright, now we have our two bolts off. You can technically get the door panel off without taking out the window switch, but it's pretty simple, so you can go ahead and do it either way. But you just kind of reach behind, kind of pop it free, and then you're going to have two wire harnesses behind it to unplug. But like I said, you don't necessarily have to take that off, so we're just going to go ahead and leave them plugged in. But now that we got all the bolts out, and now we can start at the bottom and actually pop the pins. There's like 3 or 4 pins up top you got to kind of be careful with. It's actually not in the channel where the sweep is at. So we're going to go ahead and pop it free. Sometimes you do need a thicker one, which I can kind of show you. Sometimes the Dodge and the Jeeps, like the new Wagoneers, can kind of be tricky. So you can use a thicker little plastic trim tool piece. The thin one I've been having luck with, so I'm going to go ahead and try it out. But if you're having issues, if it's giving you a pain, try to use a thicker one. Just kind of find a pin. And once you get it started, you kind of go all the way around. Kind of be firm but gentle at the same time. And work all the way up. Alright, now this is kind of where it might get tricky. There's, like I said, there's like 3 or 4 pins, which I'll show you guys here in a second. But you kind of have to pull the door panel towards you in order to pop those. So don't be trying to yank up or yank down, kind of pull at you. And they should pop free. Kind of like so. Let me go ahead and pop this in and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So the panel is free. Gotta make sure I do this without dropping the panel. But those are those pins. So you got one over here. There's another. So you have 4 all together. So you're gonna have one down here in the corner, but they're just little pins that go straight across the door panel. And that's what I was saying, when you go to pull this panel off, just make sure you pull towards yourself. And they just kind of go, obviously, back in the female end into the door panel. There you go. That's how you take off the door panel on a Jeep Cherokee. Thanks for watching.